Sorry for my ugly face in this video, but anyway, my lelike gesig in die video, jammer daaroor. Die water loop nog steeds hier deur die kulwit, van die kulwit af. Daar is bo is die kulwit en loop nog steeds daarvan af hier na toe. So ek gaan nou af na die rivier toe, ons gaan kyk wat daar onder aangaan. Nog 'n keer, we're going to look down the river, what's going on there. And this water is still flowing through the culvert there from that past year. Sorry for my ugly face in the video, my lelike gesig daar. En dit is nou 9 uur. So ons kyk gou wat gebeur nou. En 9 uur op die 4de Junie. Reg. 9 o'clock. On the 5th of June 2026. This is now the land on our left hand side. Let's zoom into the land. It's a Lucerne land, it's a Lucerne land. Kom nou, zoom nou in. Right. Nou kan jy van die sprinklers kan jy sien. Ek wil nie verder inzoom nie. Daar sprinklers. There are some sprinklers sticking out. It's a Lucerne land. And it's now getting nice water. This part of it, it's still dry. In 2000, it was right up to the embankment and on top of that akker there. So it went on to the what you call it, sal net nou dink. But anyway, like so. Terras. Het bo op daai terras gewees. Terras. Okay, now I'm going down to the river again. First down this way. It's flowing nicely here. Last time it was right up to here in 2000. 2000 was hy hier waar ek nou gestop het. So it's not as wide. It's nie hierdie keer so hoog nie. Maar is al in die land hier ook. It's flowing from there over. Stop. Let's see quickly. Wow. Let's see how it flows here. Flowing, yeah, it's flowing, yeah. Hoe vloei hier. Dit is nou die Huisrivier nuwe brug daai. A62. En die ou brug is hier onder. It's underwater. It's under the water now. Still underwater. Okay, this is the land. Going down there, and I'm going up this road now again, reverse up to there, and then down there. Then we can see this land again on the left hand side. Here it's on the right hand side of this road, old R62, and when I go down there, it's on my left hand side. Dit sal aan my linkerkant wees, hier was aan die regterkant. Daai land. Oh, nou maar goed. Let's go. Now I reversed sometime way up. There's the land on the left hand side and there's the land on the right hand side. Now I'm going to make a turn into here. Like so. And now it's on our left hand side. That's alles aan ons linkerkant. en voor. Okay, what's going cooking there? I'll stop it here. And let's go closer. Right, now I parked the car up there. A station wagon and anyway. Nou gaan ons hier in die land is nou aan die linkerkant soos ek gesê het. As I said, it's on the left hand side. The metering houses were there, they gone or they submerged or whatever. And the power box is now underwater. Nou is die kragbox onder water. En dit is nou net oor 9 uur, die 5de Junie 2026. It's just over past 9 in the morning of 2026, the 5th of June. So, and this was a road down here as well, and it's now a river. And it's still a distance from hitting the 2000 mark. 1 to 3 meters to go, and it will be at the same mark as 2000 flood. So hy sal dieselfde wees as 2000 vloed na 3 meter opgestyg het, maar hy is nou aan die ander kant van die berg ook daarso. It's on the other side against the mountain there. I don't know what's the distance from here to there, but it's not close. It's freaking far. Dis heel afdistansie van hier na daardie berg daar oorkant. Okay, dan gaan ons maar weer terug na die Gamka brug toe and we go back to the Gamka bridge. I'm reversing up the steep embankment, die steil opdraand, 'n treerad. Sien hy gaan nog aan. Nou is ek vastgehaak aan 'n klip. Dan het ek aan 'n rock. Okay, let's try again. No man, don't do this. Should have gone down to the bottom. But it's pulling it. It's going. So, boah. Right. Nou gaan ek daai kant weer deur die cutting. Na die Gamka brug toe. Gamka bridge is down there. The Gamka brug is down there. Is daar onder. I want to go in there too. Ek wil daar by daai hek ook ingaan. Dit is die ou brug daar. If I go in there. The old bridge. R62. The old road came down there. All along there, and it went over the old bridge around this hill. This was complete. And then in 1917, sometime they blew this apart and made the road straight in. So now I cannot drive up there because the road is in the water, or the water is over the road there. So die water, hier's 'n pipe, there's a pipe there, irrigation, a black roll of pipe there, you can see it. Almost touching the bridge, raak byna onder aan die brug. It's touching the bridge there, it's raak aan die brug daarso. This is the old road, R62 road. That was a road my dad used to go to the land on the other side there. Now that's all done. Okay, there is the bridge. Let's zoom into the bridge. Turn the wipers on. Come on, look. Clear the windscreen for us. Okay, there is the bridge. The railings are sticking up. But anyway, the rest is down. Okay. Dit is nou van die brug. Dit is die ou R62 brug hierdie. Come on, wipe it. So it's still rising and it's raining again. The rain alweer and it's still rising. Yeah, I'm going to the other land on the other side of the bridge there. That side. Okay, let's go reverse to that side. And go to that side. Laat ons aan die ander kant toe gaan. Ons is by die brug, nuwe brug. En dan kyk ons daai kant weer. Maar hier gaan hy al hoër op. Okay, so I was there now a few seconds ago. So the metering wall is down there. And this land is underwater. That land is underwater. This land has partially water. Underwater, submerged. That land up there is underwater. And the police down there wants to close the gate. The gate. Close the bridge, the road. Hulle wil die weg toemaak. Die polisie. So dan sê ek totsiens van deze video. Ons die video te lank. So daar is die land onder water agter my. En as ek oor gaan na die ander kant toe. Agter my is ook water, is die rivier self daar agter. En die land is so onder water en oor tot ander kant by die berg. Okay. So, bye bye from totsiens. Dankie for subscription. Thank you for subscribing this video, and the water is right up to the mountain at the back. Okay. Bye.